Hello students. Have you ever looked up into the sky and wondered what was there? Higher than the birds, past the clouds, and farther than the moon. A whole host of fascinating objects spin in outer space. Let's imagine for a moment that we can leave the Earth behind and explore the solar system that surrounds it. The solar system consists of the Sun, everything, the 8 planets, and their moons that orbit and travel around the Sun. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Let's explore the Sun. The Sun is the center of our solar system and it is necessary for life on Earth. The Sun is a bright star. Solar energy from the Sun provides the Earth with both heat and light. The Sun is sphere-shaped. It is a huge ball of white gases, mainly hydrogen and helium. The Sun is a small star, but it looks bigger than the other stars because it is much nearer to us. It is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. As we move away from the Sun, the first planet we will encounter is Mercury. Let's understand Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, much smaller than the Earth. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the fastest planet to go around the Sun. It only takes 88 days. Next is Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is mostly made of carbon dioxide and there are clouds of sulfuric acid. Venus has a thick atmosphere, but it is not one you could breathe. It is the second brightest object in the night sky. After Venus comes Earth, the third planet from the Sun. You know all about Earth because that's the planet where we live. Earth is the only planet to have living things. It is also called the blue planet as about 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. The Earth is moving all the time. It takes to complete one rotation and just over 365 days for the Earth to travel all the way around the Sun. Let's leave the Earth again and visit Mars, the 4th planet from the Sun. Mars is known as the red planet. Mars is smaller than Venus and the Earth, but larger than Mercury. There is water ice on Mars. Mars is cold and rocky, with a thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter comes next, the 5th planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet and is something called a gas giant. Jupiter is also the 3rd brightest object in the sky. Jupiter has at least 67 moons that circle around it. After Jupiter comes Saturn, another gas giant. Saturn also has more than 60 moons orbiting around it, some as large as the planet as Mercury, and much smaller. Saturn is the farthest planet that can be seen from the Earth without the help of a telescope. After Saturn, the 7th planet from the Sun is Uranus. Uranus is another gas giant but it is much smaller than Saturn and Jupiter. Uranus is covered in blue clouds which give it its lovely color. Unlike any other planet in the solar system, it is tilted so much that it actually spins sideways. Very similar to Uranus is Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun. Neptune is another gas giant. It also looks blue. Neptune has a few thin rings and 14 moons that we know about. Neptune takes over 164 years to finish an orbit around the Sun. Neptune has the longest orbit of any planet in the solar system. Thank you students. I hope you enjoyed exploring the solar system. Goodbye till